What's happening, guys, and welcome back to another video here on the Old Dub YouTube channel. Now, as the title suggests, we're going to go and see the Pandem GR Yaris, which was released at an invite-only event on Saturday night, which unfortunately I couldn't make it to. We're going to jump in the car, head over to the Autofinesse Detailing Academy, go and say hi to the guys, take some sweet treats, and show you some content of detailer's heaven. Stick along for the ride. We made it to Bishop Stortford here at the Autofinesse Detailing Academy. It's absolutely pouring down with rain. It took us about just over 2 hours to get here. But we're going to show you around the academy, show you some of the cars that they've got in here and some of the cool things that are on display. Hopefully the boss man will come down later and we can get him on the camera. But feast your eyes on this.